my channel, you beautiful people. I am back in my favorite spot whenever I do a mini haul or any kind of a haul. And as you would have known through my thumbnail, today is going to be a mini Amazon haul. Yes, it's going to be mini because I have just a few products to share with you, and there's one more. So I'm as excited as you are to know what exactly am I going to discover in these boxes. Though I know what I ordered for myself, it was something that was really a necessity for me, and I was looking forward to having these products. But I am excited to know how they turn out to be in reality in use. So without any further ado, let's roll it on. और उसके लिए मैं अपना तैयार हूँ पूरे वेपन्स के साथ. So let's get started. पहला वाला, I am most excited about this large one, but I think I'll do this in the end. So why not start with this one? This I know what it is. तीन ही तो प्रोडक्ट हैं जो मैंने ऑर्डर किए, but these three products took around 15 days to arrive just because I had ordered them pre-Diwali, or Diwali season is a boost for these delivery apps, and so Amazon really wasn't promising anything great about its delivery this time. फिर भी the patient me did not complain because ऐसा भी कोई urgency नहीं थी कि मुझे दिवाली से पहले ही चाहिए हो. So I showed my patience and waited a bit more. Finally, these products are with me and I would love to share them with you. So this first product are my AirPods. Now, Anya and myself, Anya, my daughter, and me have been fighting over a single pair of AirPods, and though we had another option of the wired ones, but the wireless earpods एक ही था हम दोनों के बीच में. तो हमेशा मेरे को कंप्लेन करती थी, मामा you buy your own. I said काम चल रहा है तो चल रहा है, like how we mothers are. So I refused to listen to her, but finally one fine day she got fed up of the situation and said, Mom, I'm ordering one for you. I said, no, in case you are ordering, the choice will be mine. तो हम दोनों बैठ गए, और we don't need the bill right now. Yeah, बैठ गए, and we decided on which AirPods we want. And we ordered the Petron AirPods Bass Buds Duo Pro. Here it is. I am going to unbox them right in front of you because if left upon me, शायद मैं इन्हें unbox भी ना करूँ और बोलूँ कि चलता है तो चल रहा है दूसरा वाला. बट नहीं, अगर मैं अनबॉक्स करूँगी तो यूज़ भी करूँगी. मुझे किस बात का डर लग रहा है? अब ये नए वाले आ गए ना, तो अब आन्या बोलेगी, मामा आपने इतना टाइम मेरे वाले यूज़ किए ना, नाउ दीज न्यू वंस आर माइन. अरे चलता है यार, अगर बोल भी दिया तो क्या हुआ, यूज़ कर लिया तो क्या हुआ. आई एम हैप्पी विथ वट एवर आई गेट. आई एम नॉट दैट मटेरियलिस्टिक. So let's see what comes out of this box. I'll be happy if she uses them. Ah, these are really mini, yeah. Wow, look at its little cutie box. It is so cute. Can you just see it? Hey, neat stuff, man. The interior is really cool of the box, of its holder. And these are the pods, wireless pods. Ah, I love this. It's got a lovely glazy body, and the earbud in front is really soft and comfortable for the ear. मेरे साथ problem क्या होता है? Yes, this is the right time to share with you guys. What else have they sent? What are these? The chargers? ये क्या है भाई? Do I need a scissors for this? I think I do. I guess these are the chargers. Yes, the cable, charging cable, and they have sent the extra bulbs, the ear bulb in front. इसके सामने में जो बल्ब लगा हुआ है ना, the soft bulb, उसके लिए एक्स्ट्रा बल्ब्स भेजे उन्होंने. I shall zoom and show them to you. And it's charging cable. So I have how many pairs? I'll just let you know. Let me just count. एक लगे हुए हैं on the pods, बल्ब लगा हुआ है, और एक मैंने एक ही निकाला. So in all I have 2 extra pairs of different sizes. I think it comes in small, medium and large. So ये वाले हैं एकदम small. This is the smallest pair according to the ear size. This is the medium pair according to another ear size. और जो लगे हुए हैं वो है large. और मेरे साथ मैं आपको बताती हूँ हमेशा प्रॉब्लम क्या होती है. You know these kind of earpods never snug and fit comfortably in my ear. Any of them. Are you serious? Where's the other one gone? Oh my God. This is so comfortable, man. I am not giving them to my daughter. वो जो बेटी वाला है ना, those are white. मैं ब्रांड भूल गई हूँ, चेक करके बताऊंगी कभी. And they keep slipping off my ear. I don't know अगर किसी और के साथ भी ये प्रॉब्लम होता है कि नहीं. But these are damn cool यार. I guess they need charging. So ये रहे उसके earpods and the extra ear bulb in front, safety bulbs, and the charging point and the cover. The cover is also so cool, matte finish from the outside and glossy from within. So this is my first parcel. Very happy, and the black color is going to keep it safe. And the next one is another Amazon parcel, and I'm so enjoying doing this right with you guys. Okay. Oh, I know what this is. ये मैंने ऑर्डर किया था, पता नहीं कितना टाइम हो गया. 1, 2, 3, and there are 4 things in this box, and I love this, the cover. Now I'll tell you what this is. Something really useful for the women. And now that it's the party season on since a couple of weeks, this is going to come really handy for me and my daughter. So are you not curious to know what this is? I'll tell you one by one. What this is, it is a boob tape. Now during the party season I do want to wear sometimes off shoulder dress or something that is like a halter or something, a halter neck, but some outfit that requires strapless bra inner. So uske liye, or you want to uplift your boobs, your breasts, and you want to feel comfortable with the dress you're wearing, with the outfit you're wearing, उसके लिए बहुत 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 handy आता है ये tape. It's a roll of tape of 10 meters is what they provide in this roll, which is I think ample. So this tape can be used to cover your front of the boobs, or this tape can also be used from the underlining to lift them up. तो आप एक तरफ से जब वो टेप को शुरू करोगे लगाना, and you keep tightening its hold till you rise it up and compress it in. So for those who are heavy breasted or need to transform themselves with according to an outfit that they're wearing for a party, they must use this tape. It's a stick-on tape, one time use है. आप एक बार अगर वो tape use करते हो तो the second time after it's removed you cannot reuse it. That is why they have an entire roll of 10 meters in it, which is very handy. Now along with this they have these. Oh, there's a fifth item here. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. So along with this tape we have here, इसका opening कहाँ है भाई साहब? Okay, let me explain what this is. These are nipple covers. You put them exactly placement के यहाँ. There is a stick-on tape at the back which you peel off and use it there so that the nipple is not visible through the fabric when you wear it. So you can easily go braless for any kind of a low cut blouse, sari blouse, or an off shoulder outfit, a dress, whether it's western or Indian. So these stickers are 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 of these, ample I feel, because you don't wear them on a daily basis. Whenever you are going to a party, you really need them. Or जो regular use करते हैं, halters and off shoulders can use them. So one tape of 10 meters and 10 boob tapes, boob covers, nipple covers. And what is this? I'm curious. What is this? अब मैं भूल भी गई हूँ, ये 15 दिन हो गए ना ऑर्डर किए हुए. So I don't remember the details of it. This is so interesting. ये मेरी daughter-in-law ने मुझे introduce कराया था, with the idea that something like this is available. आजकल तो सब कुछ available हो जाता है, all kinds of hacks and tricks are available for garments, for anything in life. So she had introduced me with the idea of these extra elastic hooks. Now, are you seeing this? Can you see this well? Let me show it to you on a skin color one. So they come available in black, skin and white. So what are these? These are hook, elastic, stretchable hooks जो कि आप अपने ब्रास के साथ अटैच कर सकते हैं, one portion to one end and the other portion to the other end, and then you take them. Suppose ये आपका ब्रा जा रहा है, through the bra पीछे से आप ऐसे डाल के इन्हें वापस री-हुक कर सकते हैं. Let me do it and show it to you. चल बेटा लग जा. So this is how you can go across your bra back strap and rehook. And because of its elastic band over here, तो जिनके size change होते रहते हैं, they fluctuate between their bra size and they're uncomfortable because वो hook बंद नहीं हो रहा है, or their sizes have changed and they don't know what to do every month. You can't, or every 2 months or 3 months, you can't keep buying hordes of undergarments and storing them. So such tapes are really handy. मैंने अभी आपको बताया उसको करना क्या है. Back of the strap में उसको one end से दूसरे end से करके you have to use these. So what happens is, because of this elastic thing, the size of your bra strap increases a bit. तो आपको वही ब्रा पहननी है, बट इसके हेल्प से आप अपना ब्रा साइज इंक्रीज कर सकते हैं एक साइज. सो व्हाई एक साइज? दे हैव गिवन 3 hooks, so I believe you can increase it to 3 sizes. Look at the stretchability. This is a pretty handy thing. So ये भी 3 आए हैं in 3 various colors. Now this is also something interesting in it. Oops. And nice packing, huh? They've safely packed it well in a box. This is a strip of another, am I saying it right? What is this? Some kind of a tape, but why a single tape? I don't know. I mean, I can't recall what this is. चश्मा पहन के पढ़ना पड़ेगा मुझे. Oh, what's wrong with them? It says breast lift tape 5 meters. This from no angle is 5 meters. Even I know that. ये है क्या भाई? और how many meters did I mention in this? I was right about this one. It is 10 meters. I don't know. This is also supposed to be body tape. I think what they have done is, let us go back one step. They have sent this same tape as a sample cutout. एक swatch type होता है ना, छोटा सा sample, वो उन्होंने काट के अलग से भेजा है to try the material, I guess, and this is how it is supposed to be tried, and the sticker is supposed to be opened. So I think this is what it is, and which is a good idea. ये मैंने अपनी कैलकुलेशन से गेस किया है कि ये वही चीज़ होगा. ये इसी लॉन्ग 10 मीटर वाले टेप का Um, but over here on the plastic it says 5 meters, but the roll, when I ordered it, it mentioned 10 meters, and the box also says 10 meters. So this is a sample of this same tape जाकी जो कि आप, what am I saying, जाकी जो कि आप ऐसे peel off करके आप try कर सकते हैं. Let me just try and do it in front of you. A little peeling off. I believe the adhesive behind these tapes is really strong. जब बॉडी पे चिपकता है ना तो उतारने के वक्त उसके बाद थोड़ी मुश्किल होती है, बट आई गेस दैट इज़ इट्स जॉब कि वो अच्छे से चिपके एंड डू इट्स वर्क ऑफ होल्डिंग योर स्किन टाइट. Oh yes, the sticker is pretty good. The gum is really sticky. I love it, and I'm so glad they've given a sampler along with the original. Okay, now sticking to this product itself, let me read its features to you. It's lightweight, agreed. It is super soft, agreed. The feel of the sample was really good, and highly absorbent. Why do they say it is highly absorbent? Because it is going to be directly stuck on your skin, and if you are perspiring or sweating, you need to wear something that's going to absorb all that sweat. So it says highly absorbent. वो तो मुझे actual जब मैं all round use करूँगी तो पता चलेगा. And it also says fast drying. So if it is highly absorbing, it is also fast drying. So also they have given various ways in which we can use this tape at different angles and shapes of your breast. I don't know if you are able to make this out. There are different diagrams here that indicate how we can use them, lifting from top to from the bottom to the top, from the left to the right, from the sides, compressing the sides, or lifting the boobs up, or even in cross back. Wow. Or one sling. As I said, one shoulder off dress koi pehen rahe ho, so you can cover one breast completely and use it as a sling on the other side. So if you're covering this breast, and the tape can go all over to the other side as a single off shoulder. So pretty good. Very, very happy that it has finally come. I really need it for the upcoming events in my family. So we are left with just 2 more products in this particular box, and this next one is a double-sided tape that keeps you and your wardrobe in place. कुछ समझ आया? I'll explain. These are bodies outfit strips, tape strips है ये, longitudinal strips, which you can place under your fabric to hold the fabric in place. If we are wearing a very deep neck and if we bend, तो हमारा क्या होता है, usually malfunction नहीं चाहिए, or we cover ourselves like this. But if you use these strips, you can attach a strip of cloth to one side or the other side too, and you don't need to have the fear of bending forward कि वो कपड़ा आगे से उठ जाएगा and everything will be visible through and through. So उन चीज़ों के लिए this is really handy, and these are how many strips? Half inch by 3 inch strips, so half inch in width and 3 inch in length. And I guess, oh, there are 50 strips. This is really cool. There are 50 strips in this pack, more than sufficient. And the price for this entire box is really reasonable. It comes with all these products. The bra hooks, 3 of them, the 50 strips, tape strips, the body tape, the long tape of 10 meter, as well as the nipple covers, 10 nipple covers, and the last product, which comes in a case of its own. I'm really interested to know. It looks like another earpod case, doesn't it? But let's see. I know what it is. I'm really excited to know. Oh wow, it's got an elastic hold on safety band and cover also. Now I am not going to remove these in my hand, but I am going to speak about it because this is a silicone boob cover, nipple cover, not entire boob cover. I beg your pardon, but okay, I'll take them out. I'll take one of them out so that you get a better idea. Here it is, a nice thicky layer, spongy silicone, soft, ultra soft. I mean, I really can feel its smoothness with a layer of peel off sticker. Again, these are stick-ons to your nipple, which you can use to cover your nipples in a see-through dress or a off-shoulder dress where you need a strapless bra, but you're not comfortable wearing a bra because it tightens your, and it doesn't give you that comfort or that fit. So you can use that roll tape that I was talking about, the roll tape and this nipple cover, to feel secure as well as feel as if you're not wearing anything really heavy like a bra. Because if you wear even a strapless bra, kabhi kabhi kya hota hai, there is a line of the bra that is visible through the off-shoulder dress or the sleeveless dress, and it doesn't seem very, let's say, chic or sophisticated to show that lining from outside of your dress. So in such cases, it is very well recommended that you use these nipple covers, silicone nipple covers, or the boob tape. Well, and the best part of this is that it has come in a combo pack of all that I mentioned, as well as this silicone comes in a safety cover like this, which has an elastic band inside, elastic cover band inside, which keeps it even more securely placed in its cover, and a zipper to shut it in. So very comfortable and easy to carry in your bag in case you need it for any traveling purpose or even for an emergency. If your emergency किसी भी तरह की आ सकती है यार, you've gone to a party or you are going to a party straight from office and you just, you're wearing your lower trousers or something, but need to change your top that you're wearing into a party outfit, and it's an off shoulder, so you can easily keep this handy stuff in your bag and go and change in the changing room and feel free to party. तो ये बहुत ही काम की चीज़ है. So very happy that this has finally come and I can try it on. And yes, I also highly recommend that any of these products, before you actually use them, sorry for the shaking of the camera, I shifted the table with my leg. So I highly recommend that before the D-Day, when you actually have to wear this product on any of the days, आप उससे पहले दिन ना एक ट्रायल ज़रूर करिए उसी आउटफिट के साथ जो आपको पहनना है जिस दिन. तो उसके 2 दिन पहले या 3 दिन पहले आप उसका एक ट्रायल ले लीजिए. Even if you don't peel off and actually stick the thing, but you can place the roll and see whether it is going to work and whether it is going to be visible outside your dress. तो आप एक hypothetically आप उसे एक रोल करके पकड़ के पिन करके आप चेक कर सकते हैं. And it's always, I feel, mandatory that you do this even before your functions or your parties. I would request everyone कि आप अपने outfits एक बार ट्रायल ज़रूर करिए. क्या मालूम कोई साइज चेंज हो गया हो. All right. So we are left with this particular big parcel, and I am most excited about this one. Oh, पता नहीं कितने time से I was looking for a good gadget like this, and I did mention, it's no big secret, I did mention also earlier in my Diwali episode. Was it my Diwali episode? No, sorry. It was in my transformation vlog, and that I had mentioned that I had gone to Spencer's, and then I had gone to, I'll name a few, I had even gone to Capital Electronics. So I had to, keep looking for a handheld steam iron that was suitable for, portable enough to carry it if you're traveling. तो अभी कुछ दिनों में बहुत काम आने वाला, हैंडी आने वाला है मेरी पूरी फैमिली को. सो येस, व्हाइल वी वर टॉकिंग आई डिड ओपन इट. इट्स टाइम टू अनरैप. अच्छी पैकिंग है भाई. So as I mentioned, I went to all these electronic shops and all they were showing me were such bulky ones, you know, जो कि सूटकेस में अगर वो आप पोर्टेबल वाला स्टीम आयरन डालोगे तो और कुछ नहीं डाल सकते, कपड़े 3 आएंगे और ये पूरी जगह ले लेगा. सो आई केप्ट लुकिंग फॉर इट एंड देन फाइनली आई डिसाइडेड, बिकॉज यूजुअली मैं ये सब इलेक्ट्रॉनिक गैजेट्स ना मैं ऑनलाइन लेना पसंद नहीं करती हूँ अनटिल एंड अनलेस आई हैव ट्राइड इट इन द शोरूम इटसेल्फ, कि वो चलवा के वो देख के उसका डेमो देख कर वो सब करके मैं ही सेटिस्फाई होके लेती हूँ एंड दैट gives me more satisfaction. But this is the first time I've bought any gadget like this. देखो छोटे मोटे चीज़ें like earpods and all, it doesn't matter, वो ले लिया तो कोई बात नहीं. But you know, something as large as this, I think this is its manual in the box, and something as large as this I would rather buy it by going physically to the showroom. But this is the first time I have bought something as big as this online. So let's see. It comes with a pair of gloves. Now while I was searching for the steam iron online on Amazon, I did not see any other similar product offering gloves along with the product. Hi Kirky, you're in the frame today, my Kirky. Everybody please pray for my little Cookie. Come here Cookie. He's not well यार, इतने दिन हो गए सर्दी खांसी से, खांसी तो नहीं बट इतना सर्दी लगा हुआ है, चेस्ट कंजेशन, he's breathing heavily. Going back to my product of the steam handheld steam iron, इसमें निकले हैं पेयर ऑफ ग्लव्स. सो एज आई वाज सेइंग, दीज गैजेट्स व्हेन यू आर यूजिंग देम ना, अपने हाथ में पकड़ के वो स्टीम का शावर जो होता है इतना स्ट्रॉन्ग होता है कि जो पकड़ने वाली जगह वो भी काफ़ी गर्म हो जाती है. आई हैव यूज्ड अ हैंड हेल्ड स्टीम आयरन बिफोर एंड आई हैव एक्सपीरियंस्ड द हीट ऑन माई हैंड्स. अब करना है तो करना है बोल के गैप दे दे के एंड यू नो पॉज मार मार के फिर रीहीट करके फिर स्टार्ट करके ऐसे कई मतलब टुकड़ों टुकड़ों में करके वो आप अपना एक गारमेंट आयरन करते हो. तो अब ग्लव्स नहीं पहने होंगे तो वो गर्म होगा. अब आप कपड़ा कितना पकड़ पकड़ के काम करोगे. तो आई लव्ड दिस आइडिया कि द ब्रांड एंड द कंपनी हैज़ प्रोवाइडेड ग्लव्स विद इट, कि आपका हाथ ना जले नहीं, गर्म ना हो उस टीम से. सो थैंक यू गाइज. एंड दिस प्रोडक्ट इज़ बाय अगारो. अगारो का मैनुअल है मेरे हाथ में एंड इट इज़ अ गारमेंट स्टीमर. Alright, इनका मॉडल नेम इज Signify. So the model name is Signify by Agaro. Alright, here it is a cord one. Cord वाला है ये. अच्छा, when I ordered it ना, मुझे इतना बड़ा नहीं लग रहा था वो. Let me unwrap it. Let me show you the entire body. ये इसका बैक है, प्रोफाइल जैसे हमारा लेफ्ट एंड राइट प्रोफाइल होता है. This is the other profile and this is the front where it has its, you know, the cup which holds the water for the steam. और ये इसके switch points हैं. और यहाँ से जहाँ मेन एलिमेंट है इसका ये, इट इज़ सेरेमैक, तो क्वाइट सेफ टू यूज़ एंड सेरेमैक कोटिंग है इस पर. तो यहाँ से उसकी स्टीम प्रोट्यूड होती है, बाहर निकलती है शावर. एंड इट इज़ अ कॉर्ड वाला. आई थॉट इट विल बी टोटली कॉर्डलेस एंड थिंग, बिकॉज इट डिड से जब मैंने ऑर्डर किया था कि ये पोर्टेबल विथ कॉर्डलेस. I don't know, I'm now confused. Anyways, चलो कोई बात नहीं. हाँ, तो जब मैं ऑर्डर कर रही थी ना, मैंने उसका मेजरमेंट पढ़ा ज़रूर था और मुझे लगा वो सेंटीमीटर में मेंशन करते हैं ना, तो ऐसे लगा था कि नहीं ज़्यादा बड़ा होगा नहीं. बट ये ठीक है, मीडियम साइज़ का है. हाइट उसकी आप मेरे हैंड के अगेंस्ट आप माप सकते हैं. सो इट्स लाइक प्रीटी कूल. और जो मैंने वहाँ देखे थे ना, व्हेन आई वेंट टू कैपिटल इलेक्ट्रॉनिक्स, तो उन्होंने हाँ ईस्टर्न इलेक्ट्रॉनिक्स एंड कैपिटल इलेक्ट्रॉनिक्स. अरे यार क्या हो गया कोका. तो कैपिटल सॉरी, हो गया आपका बाबू? मम्मा बोले शोना बाबू? माय गॉड, आई फील सो बैड फॉर हिम यार। ये ज़रा सा पंखा के पास आता है ना तो भी छींकना शुरू कर देता है, इतना एग्रीवेट हो गया इसका सिचुएशन। सो जब मैंने इसे देखा था ना, वो सेंटीमीटर में इसका वो मेंशन किया था मेजरमेंट्स, तो मुझे लगा नहीं इतना बड़ा नहीं होगा। और जब मैं कैपिटल इलेक्ट्रॉनिक्स गई थी ना, तो वहाँ पे जितने मैंने देखे थे वहाँ उनका साइज वॉज एटलीस्ट इतना बड़ा। इट वॉज सो ह्यूज। सो दैट इज़ वाई आई वॉज टेलिंग यू कि वो इतना बड़ा गैजेट अगर हम लेंगे पोर्टेबल के लिए और जगह जगह अगर ट्रैवल करके जाना है उसके साथ, तो वो कपड़ा घुसाएंगे कि वो गैजेट घुसाएंगे, तो मैंने वो नहीं लिए। फिलिप्स का भी देखा मैंने और हायर का भी देखा मैंने, मुझे दोनों ही अच्छे नहीं लगे फॉर द साइज एंड ऑल्सो फॉर अनदर रीज़न, द कैपेसिटी ऑफ द वाटर टैंक। उनकी कैपेसिटी वॉज 150-180 ml फॉर द वाटर टैंक एंड दिस वन इज़ 220 ml। तो जितना पानी का उसमें कैपेसिटी ज़्यादा होगा उतना आप देर आप उसे आयरन कर सकेंगे, उतने कपड़े भी ज़्यादा होंगे, उतना वक्त भी आपको मिलेगा आयरन करने के लिए। सो आई थॉट दैट द ऑनलाइन वन वॉज वर्किंग फार बेटर फॉर मी दैन द वन आई सॉ फिजिकली एट द इलेक्ट्रॉनिक्स शोरूम। सो नाउ I am very excited to use this. मेरा बच्चा very excited to use this product, and for those who are also catching up with all my short videos, I am keeping you informed from now that I will be putting up a review and a quick demo for those who want to know how this product works and whether it is of any use and any good, so that you can also buy the product on my recommendation. So I hope it's not ending here. It comes with two other parts along with it for various other reasons, like it has a felt attachment over here for soft fabric and surfaces, and it has a rough brush attachment for the rough surfaces, like probably you want to do steam a sofa cover, a cloth cover, you know, for the sofa. So I guess this rough one is for that, but I will also get a better understanding of this product after I have gone through this manual and learn its ins and outs. बाकी पीछे में इनके डेमोज दिए हुए हैं which I will go through. So that's it. No, that's not it for today. One last product is left, but वो product Amazon का नहीं है, though I will open in this haul itself. कैंची किधर गई? This will need a scissors. ये पतला सा आप सॉफ्ट सा देख रहे हैं ना, ये देख के कुछ तो समझ आ रहा होगा कि कुछ नरम है. Yes, it is a fabric. My daughter ordered a top for herself. मैंने बात करते करते वो पार्सल खोल भी दिया है. This top is not from Amazon. It is from a brand called SSS, and it's a nice sexy top. And I've been telling her, pestering her कि Anya, you need tops for all the lowers, extra lowers you have, but she just doesn't listen. But I forced her to buy one online, and because she actually doesn't have time to go to the markets and search for products for herself, because she's too busy with her studies, projects, internships and application to colleges, so उसके पास बिल्कुल time नहीं है. So this is a pretty blue color top. Let me just hold it the right way so that you know. Okay, this is what it looks like from the front. Wow, I love it. You know, it's got that little halter loop kind of a thing. मैं अपने ऊपर सामने पकड़ के दिखाऊं क्या? Baby, what is it? No. Why are you doing this? ये कोको भी ना छोड़ता नहीं है मुझे. Okay, मैं कैसे पकड़ के समझाऊं आपको? Anyways, let me just learn its feel first. अरे यार कौन सा सीधा, ये लड़कियों के गारमेंट तो मुझे समझ नहीं आते. हाँ, ये रहा. ये इसका बैक है. It's got this little ruffle in the front, you know, when you wear it. It's a short tank top and it's got this ruffle. और बैक साइड में It's got this cross strappy thing, you know, to hold it together. And I am so excited to see this upon her. ज़्यादा छोटा नहीं है ये कपड़ा, कर्ल्ड अप हो गया, अच्छा खासा लेंथ है. If you go with the strap to down, if you go from the strap to this down portion, it is going to come somewhere at your midriff के वहाँ पे आएगा. So this is the last product, and nice lovely synthetic material for party wear. So she's going to wear it very soon. I'm going to make sure that she does, because इनकी choice और हमारी choice ना मिलती नहीं है. But this is one top that we both selected together, so I'm very excited that she wears it. So with this, I come to the end of this mini Amazon haul, and I hope you guys liked it a lot. And do wait for those who are new watching my channel and upon my channel. Coming, Coco, coming. Don't climb here and there. For those who are new to my channel, please do like, share, and comment before you leave. And there's another important thing that you need to do is go to the lower right corner and press the subscribe button and the notification button. So see you guys in another vlog, and do keep updated with my shorts about the review and demo of this steam iron. See you soon, guys. Take care. Bye bye. Love you all.